So hello guys, today I'm going to explain how to find the nth term of quadratic sequence. This kind of question is very popular in your exams. It's a concept of Gcse Maths year 9. So if you live in Wales, England or Northern Netherlands, this video is enough for you to understand this concept. Okay, so we need to find the formula of the nth term of the quadratic sequence, which is given over there. First of all, to find the first difference between the terms, the 6 minus 2 will give us 4. There's a difference of 4. 12 minus 6 will give us 6. 20 minus 12 will give us 8. 30 minus 20 will give us 10. And 42 minus 30 will give us 12. The first difference is 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Since it's a quadratic sequence, it's obviously that now it's going to be constant. We need to find the second difference. So now second difference about these terms. Okay, so if we find the difference of 6 and 4, we get 2 here. 8 and 6, 2. 10 and 8, 2. 12 and 8, 2. Okay, so now we're getting a constant difference. First of all, the formula for the nth term is in the standard form, which can be written like this: an square plus n plus c. Okay, now to find a, it's very easy. The constant difference is 2 over here. We need to divide this 2 with another 2. If it's 4, if the constant difference is 4, we need to divide it by 2, and what we'll get? 4 divided by 2 will be 2, but in our case it's 2, so 2 divided by 2 will be 1. That's the value of a. Okay, so the first term we get 1n square, the formula of this quadratic nth term. Now what about n? What about the coefficient of n? So we need to find out. There are 3 equations that help us to do this. First of all, 2a is the first equation which will help us. Second, 3, just a second, 3a plus b, and the third one is a plus b plus c. 2a gives us the coefficient of n square. 3a plus b will give us the coefficient of n, and a plus b plus c will give us the value of c. Now since we already get the coefficient of n square, that is 1n square, now we need to find the coefficient of n. So we'll get that n. The first difference gives us the coefficient of a, that is 2a, coefficient of n square, that is 2a. Now you see here it's 4 written over there. That will be our 3a plus b, and this 2 will be a plus b plus c. Okay, just to remember the 3 equations, and then it's very easy. Alright, so 3a plus b will give us 4, that is equals to 4. So we write it over there. Right there, 3a plus b gives us 4. Since a, we found out a, right? A is 1 over there, you can see it. How did you find out a? 2a was equal to 2, then a equals to 2 divided by 2, and then we get our answer, that is 1. Now we substitute 1 over there in a, so that will be 3 multiplied by 1 plus b gives us 4. That will be 3 plus b equals to 4. Now what's the value of b? We need to subtract 3 from both the sides, so it gets cancelled and only b is there, and 4 minus 3 will give us 1. That means the coefficient of n is 1. So we can write it like that, plus 1n. Then just we need the value of c. C we can get from here, a plus b plus c equals to 2. That's another equation. You write it there, a plus b plus c. You can do in the rough work. A plus b plus c will give us 2 here. So a is 1, we found it out. B is also 1, we found it out. And c equals to 2. That is 2 plus c equals to 2, and we get c equals to, you have to subtract 2 from both the sides. The 2 minus 2 is cancelled out, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Then that means that the c in this sequence is 0. So 1n square plus 1n plus 0 is the formula of the nth term for this sequence. Okay, so plus 0, no need to write that. We can write it like this: n squared plus n. This is the formula of the nth term for the sequence 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, and 42. So thank you for watching. You can practice this, and I hope you understand. Thank you.